Hello, and welcome to this video. Today, I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to add a link to your Brevo email. First, click on the Campaigns tab. Here, you'll see options to create a new campaign or edit an existing one. For this tutorial, we'll focus on editing an existing campaign. Locate the campaign you want to modify, and next to it, click on the three dots to reveal more options. From the drop-down menu, select Edit. This will take you to the editing interface. Now click on Edit Design. You'll enter the drag-and-drop editor where you can customize your email layout. To add a link, select the text you want to hyperlink. You can use existing text or type in new text. For this tutorial, let's create new text. Drag and drop a text block into your design area and enter your desired content. After typing your text, highlight it. You'll see a link icon appear in the toolbar. Click on it. A window will pop up. Here, paste the URL you want to link to. You can also choose the type of link, such as a web link or a document link, and give it a title that describes its purpose. Once you've entered all the information, click Insert. Your link will now be successfully added to the text. That's it. You've added a clickable link inside your Brevo email. Thanks for watching.